I started here in May of 2009, 24 years old, not even sure that I wanted to continue doing air conditioning work. I was coming from residential. I was scared to death of commercial equipment. It was big, it was scary, and I sat down in that room right behind us and watched a video of all of the star guys from a decade ago, and they talked about preventative maintenance and fixed cost, so I don't have to sell anything. All I have to do is a good job. I don't need to sell you anything. I just need to keep your equipment running. So it's hard to appreciate unless you've done it for a while, and it's a real good feeling when you show up to a contract and they say, I haven't seen you in a while. Well, that's because your equipment is being maintained and you haven't had a failure. You bought this product, and now when I come to see you, we're visiting. You develop a relationship with these customers, and they get to see you, and you learn the names of their kids, and it's more of a family-oriented thing than anywhere I've ever worked. It's the money. It's almost not. It's not about money. It's a culture to grow up in, and with this group of technicians, you have to stay humble because everybody has something that they excel at, and you may have to call anybody in that list of phone numbers and reach out to somebody and say, hey, I need your help with this. And they don't bat an eye. They'll send somebody. It's hard to beat. It's a great place to cut your teeth. I get the opportunity to work on so many different pieces of equipment, and it's hard to quantify. It's definitely a family atmosphere. You feel like you're home.